What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This is Ray from SENFENG Laser. I want to start today's show by a question that always been asked. What are the options available when we need to repair some high value and precision engineered components such as molding, forging dies, and gas turbine shafts that undergo wear or damage? One obvious way is just to replace them with a new one, which is cost prohibitive. The other possibility is to prolong their service life by a reliable and scientific proven way, and that is where the laser cladding helps. SENFENG has rich experience in laser cladding technology and has done numerous repairing and enhancing jobs for different workpieces from different industries. And today I'm going to show you 4 main series of our laser cladding machines. Follow me. First is the ultra high-speed laser cladding machine with very fast rotary speed, which is up to 200 rounds per minute. Round laser spot with diameter of 3 mm is adopted. A small spot like this can generate highly concentrated heat input with very limited heat effect zone to avoid deformation, and get high adhesion strength due to metallurgical bond with minimal dilution. Now let's have a closer look at the key components. This is the laser cladding head. It adopts an annual high-speed cladding nozzle and powder separator. This design helps increase efficiency and can utilize powder to the maximum. As for the powder feeder, we have this double barrel pneumatic powder feeder as standard configuration. If you are preparing different functions, you can put different powders separately into the 2 barrels. If you are in the business of repairing shafts or cylinders or some different shapes like camshafts, this is your best choice. The second model I'd like to recommend is this rectangular spot laser cladding machine. Check its laser cladding head. Adopted spot size 40 by 2 mm, so the efficiency is quite impressive. The cladding area is 10 times larger than using round spot within the same time. It created an enhanced layer with extremely low dilution rate and much higher bonding strength than traditional ways like plating. It is mainly used in mining, machinery manufacturing, printing industry, food industry, and other fields. Together with rectangular laser spot, we adopt a gravity powder feeder, which is specially designed by our R&D team. It's very durable, which saves maintenance during operation. It is widely used in many industries for repairing rollers or cylinders, and it's very easy to operate, almost no need for maintenance. Now let's move on with our robotic laser cladding workstation. This is a multiple-use laser cladding working station that can handle different shapes of works. One machine can do almost all kinds of works you will take. This equipment is mainly composed of 6-axis industrial robots, biaxial servo positioner, laser source, cladding head, and man-machine control system. The working range of the robot is 6 meters and arm span is 1.8 meters, which can be used for longer and bigger components. With the help of biaxial servo positioner, it can repair special-shaped workpiece with highly flexibility, such as balls and curved surfaces. As a special note, this workstation is superb for crank-shaped repair. Lastly is our mobile robotic laser cladding working system. This whole working system is highly integrated with 6-axis industrial robot, powder feeder, control system, laser source, water chiller in a compact layout, which makes it easy to move away, superb at offering failed repair solutions. It can greatly reduce the machine downtime and make the repair fast and efficient. The system is simple to operate, which can be used for multiple purposes, and realize the laser cladding for normal shaft repair, flat work pieces, curved face, and other special shaped parts. Moreover, we are also developing the inner wall laser cladding. It can repair the inner wall of cylinder or shafts with minimum diameter of 120 mm and maximum length 3 meters. Also, we have some testing device to see if the enhanced surface is getting harder. This is a machine to test the hardness of the cladding surface. And this is the silt-spory test to see if the surface is corrosion resistant. This is the wear resistance testing machine and the high power microscope for observing metallic structure. Our R&D team have been devoted to the research of powder composition to provide a tailor-made solution not only to achieve 3 to 5 times longer service life, but also to keep it to the minimal cost. This is a new advanced technology that with great potential, and grasp the chance and make a fortune out of it. I'm pretty sure you are interested in it. Contact us with the information shown below. See you next time. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel SENFENG Laser. Today we will process laser cladding for repairing some workpieces. Let's see how the machine works to repair instead of replace by a new one. And find out new ways to save your cost. Now you can see the hydraulic props used in coal mining industry. These workpieces have been used in the factory for over 2 years. Worn surface on it. The customer's requirement is to improve its wear resistance and corrosion resistance by laser cladding. Now before we processing, we need to confirm the standard size of the diameter of the workpieces. Let's get the micrometers. We can see the wear loss of the diameter is 2 mm. One single layer of the laser cladding will be 1.5 mm. Reserve the sufficient machining dimensional allowance, and we will choose a suitable workflow for the processing of laser cladding. Secondly, we need to confirm which kind of powder to choose. Powder selected based on the properties the customer expects. Now in this case, we adopt this iron-based powder. Now this is the machine we are going to run testing today. The rectangular spot laser cladding machine, SFH 3050L. The laser power 6 kilowatt. The laser spot 20 by 2 mm. The casting iron base of the machine ensures a stable operation for a long time. The bus control system is simple to learn and convenient to operate. The powder reaches the focus of laser beam through the gravity powder feeder and the laser cladding head. The powder is heated up by laser focusing. It is melted with a thin layer on the surface of the base material at the same time. And after rapid cooling down, a surface coating with extremely low dilution and metallurgical bonding with the base material is formed, thereby greatly improving the wear resistance, corrosion resistance of the base material surface. This equipment can meet a variety of shaft or roller paths. The using rate of powder for this machine can reach 95%, and the cladding efficiency can reach 0.3 to 0.5 square meter per hour. That is to say, if we clad some workpiece like this, the length 1 meter and diameter is 400 mm. It takes us 3 hours to finish. Compared with the traditional process, the electroplating process has serious pollution, poor adhesion, shorter service life, and higher cost. The arc-based welding requires excessive heat input, which may result in negative effects on performance of the whole component, such as distortion and reduced mechanical properties. While laser cladding features including highly concentrated heat input with narrow heat affected zone, minimal dilution, highly adhesion strength due to metallurgical bond, little to no distortion, environmental friendly process, enhanced hardness, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance. How laser cladding will improve the performance of the workpiece, we will take you to see it later. When the cladding process is over, the oxide layer on the surface of the cladding process is removed by roof machining, then CNC grinding, turning, and polishing. Now, after several steps of the CNC machinery processing to the standard size, and finally the workpiece gets polished. Of course, the work is not over yet. Finally, our quality inspector will do professional inspections on the size tolerance and performance improvement of our workpieces with these professional devices. And let's take an example of testing the hardness with this ultrasonic hardness tester. Let's go to the factory again. Now we can see the service life of the workpiece will extend greatly. And you will find it's a whole new looking piece of work, considering the cost difference between repair and replace by a new one. What a magic! Until now, I think you have a brief idea of how the laser cladding works. Welcome, follow our channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.